Hi yogis, let's begin in a comfortable cross-legged position. Sit up nice and tall, maybe close your eyes. Take a moment to tune into your breath. Notice if there's any areas where you feel the breath is stuck. And just feel yourself relax a little deeper with each inhale and exhale. Slow down your breath to a rate that is comfortable for you. And then set your intention for your practice. On your next inhale, reach your arms up, interlace your fingers, bring your gaze up. Exhale, press the palms forward as you round your spine. Inhale, reach up, gaze up. Exhale, palms forward, round. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, round. Inhale, hands to your knees. Exhale, twist, gaze over your right shoulder, left hand to the right knee. Sit up tall. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist, gaze over your left shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Exhale. Inhale, reach your arms up, bend your left arm. Take the right hand to the left elbow as you stretch through your left triceps. Deep breaths, relax through your shoulders, pressing them down and away from your ears. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, bend over to your right slightly so that you feel a stretch through the left side of your body, keeping hold of the left elbow. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, gently release. Take a pause. Inhale as you roll your shoulders up toward your ears. Exhale, down. Inhale, hike the shoulders toward the ears as you circle them back. Exhale and down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Beautiful. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend your right arm. Take a hold of the right elbow with the left hand, stretching through your right triceps. Stay here for one more breath. And then on your next exhale, slightly bend over to your left until you feel a nice stretch through the right side of your body. Inhale back to center. Exhale, release the hands down to your knees. Take those shoulder rolls one more time. Inhale, lift the shoulders toward the ears. Exhale, roll them down and back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down and back. One more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down and back. Beautiful. Come to tabletop. Stack the shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. Cat cow. Inhale, arch, gaze forward. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, center. Exhale, down dog, hips up and back. You can pedal out your feet if you'd like, bending one knee and then the other, or take a static down dog, your choice. If you're pedaling out your feet, take a moment in static down dog. Inhale, lift your right leg, flex your foot, square your hips. Exhale, plant your right foot between your hands, left knee to the earth, low lunge. Bring your hands to your right thigh, interlacing your fingers, breathing deeply. Beautiful. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Pigeon pose. Frame the right foot and then bring your right heel outside the left hip. Your left leg is straight back behind you. Square yourself forward. Inhale. And exhale. Fold. Maybe coming to your elbows or bringing your forehead to the earth. Your choice. Take your time. No rush. Inhale, look forward, slowly crawling your fingertips back. Exhale, down dog. Deep breath in, breath out. This time inhale through your nose. Exhale, sigh it out through your mouth. Inhale, lift your left leg, flex your foot, square your hips. Exhale, plant your left foot between your hands, lower the right knee down. Inhale, low lunge, interlace your fingers, placing them gently on your left thigh. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Frame the left foot pigeon pose, left heel outside the right hip. Your right leg is straight back behind you. Square yourself forward, nice deep inhale. Exhale, fold to the elbows or bring the forehead to the earth. Take your time. Nice and slow, begin to press your way back up. Downward facing dog. Deep inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. One more like this, inhale. Exhale, sigh. And then slowly come to a ragdoll halfway on your mat, feet hip width distance apart. Grab the elbows, allow your head to hang. Slight bend in the knees, maybe sway from side to side. And then slowly lower down onto your bum. Bring the soles of your feet together. Allow the knees to fall toward the earth for Baddha Konasana. Sit up nice and tall, inhale. And exhale, begin to fold, using your elbows to press the thighs closer to the earth. Nice and slow release. Straighten both legs, flex your feet. Sit up nice and tall, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold, reaching your hands towards your shins, your toes. Beautiful, slowly release. Option for your final relaxation today, you can either come into a comfortable seated position, palms up or down, meditating here, or you can take your traditional Shavasana on the back, your choice. Wherever you are, allow your body to completely relax. And remember, you have nowhere else to be but in this moment. I invite you to stay here as long as you'd like. Please remember to donate, like, and subscribe to support this channel. Namaste.